everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this V-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair. So this wig is their curly highlighted V-part wig. Now with the V-part wig, you can wear it without any leave out, or if you'd like some, of course, leave it out. But this wig is meant to be worn without leave out. So I'm going to style it that way today. And of course, this wig has the little clips that are more secure, little clamps with them. So I love that. That is awesome. And this wig actually fit my head perfectly. It was an awesome fit, so that was great as well. And of course, the style is also super easy to install. So this is definitely beginner friendly. I would recommend it for beginners as well. Now with this style, all I did was just part my hair down the middle and then just plop that wig on there. Now I didn't do any braids. I did see some people installing their V-part wigs with braids, but I wanted to try it first without the braids just to see how it held up. And then later on in the video, I am going to do it with some anchor braids down the middle as well. But I will say that the braids did help the hair to stay a little bit stay in place better. So I would recommend doing the anchor braids instead of doing what I did in this portion. It definitely felt better. It didn't feel like my hair was pulling as much as when I did it without the braids. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys just watch the video. Everything else is super self-explanatory. This wig has a beautiful curl pattern, and these highlights for everything super amazing. This hair is super long as well. As you just saw, I got a little bit of shedding with the brush through, but other than that, no tangling, just a little bit of shedding, which is normal for curly hair like this. But if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig or checking out Beauty Forever Hair, I will have all their links in the description box below. Or if you guys just have a comment for me or question, please leave it in the description box, oh my god. Please leave it in the comment section below, and I will definitely respond to you guys. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.